Just a bit of an update. As you can see, SS Induction's big mouth throttle body. Very worth the price. Gained quite a bit of power, especially during acceleration in low revs, and a little bit more top end. Gave the engine a bit of a clean yesterday. I reckon you could just about eat your dinner, but I wouldn't want to get it dirty. Just give you another look. Nothing else has changed really, apart from a bit of a detail yesterday. And the stickers are gone. They were a little bit, I don't know, gay, if you want to put it that way. It's nice and clean. Still got the X-Force on. Now right there it's going to be the amount of kilowatts once the supercharger's installed. Plate's going. And above that, it's a little blown badge that I found on eBay. It's going to look pretty good. We'll wait and see.